I gonna do ya now? New link and the attack now. Bling a old trendsetter. New link. Hotter.
Yeah. Blessing, my people. Big up in yourself, man. Don't know any new link there. New link no gone away. Me there see him where. So blessing my viewers and subscribers. So right about now, people. Oh my world. Yo, me have a real topic for talk about now, people, because things tough, you know. All about right now. Right now, all about under some tens there now, people, some serious tens. With bad man and with police right now. Because now, you link I go now look a full thing and update and look a matter where I go on all about. It get serious and serious now, people, because it reached too far. Zine, so make New Link get into it now. Well, if you was a true fan and you've been keeping up with New Link, you will see the news where New Link did report a couple days ago when they talk so on Squaddy. They lick out two man in the like a shootout they did there with a Squaddy and 2 man in the whole harbor. And the Squaddy managed to lick out one of them. One of them they dead. Well, people, one of the Squaddy them when they reported in the matter with the shootout with the bad man them and one of them dead now. People, right now, Squaddy is alive and good. But boy, Squaddy in the morning now, people. Because news are reached New Link now. Say, them they set a man that who on the Squaddy they didn't look something now or something. The man them return people. And them go for Squaddy mother. Oh my world, oh my precious. Some you gonna go to the other side of the story now. News reached New Link now, people. Say on Thursday, February 6th, sometime after 11 a.m., Squaddy mother, who's a 57-year-old lady who resides in Old Harbor and operates a shop, people, was at her establishment when gunman coming at the shop where she the people and fire several shots hitting her. She was rushed to the hospital. She no make it, people. She drop out. And she is the mother of one of the Squaddies who was in the shooting couple years ago with the 2 man them in a Old Harbor where one of them died. Well, people, now the police have a man in custody for questioning pertaining to the murder of the Squaddy mother. You understand? He hasn't been charged yet or anything, but he might go question alongside with him lawyer. So, them say, even if him not involved, him know one leap or something kind of part of something people. Well, viewers and subscribers, the Squaddy them set in a all over them not take this lightly. Because them lick out one of them team player, mother like that. Which the mother is an innocent lady. You know what I mean? But because them can't catch Quaco, you hear them unless they catch the shot, which is sad. If you know the poor lady did the operating shop. Bad man and Squaddy in a shootout. Squaddy protect themselves and bad man did it. Bad man get shot and you know what I mean? It's just sad. That's why New Link say no. It better you try to be on the safer side. Because sometimes when things can do happen, boy, it fall upon some family members or we never expected people. You know what I mean? We should know, say, we have some corrupted Squaddy and we have good Squaddy. But in a situation like this, people, Squaddy mother gone. You know what I mean? Nice lady operator a shop. When you want Squaddy, why you never go have a shootout back with Squaddy? Wish, boy, it wrong. You know what I mean? Well, people, them say another part of all about tens now because the police, them did and them must stand firm. As me tell you, the police, them in all about so them not take this lightly because them should have killed them brethren mother, which them on them wrong. You know what I mean, people? In the end, boy, me I tell you, it's not a good look. You know what I mean? Not a good look. All I buy is a place in the people where used to be so nice and so good, but I don't know what really I go on. You get me? When me see comes a boom now, and I was looking that day at the crime rate statistics, and I see where that St. Elizabeth there, the breadbasket parish of Jamaica, has recorded 6 murders since the start of the year 2020. And them said that is an increase by 200%. Not 100%, you know. By 200% pertaining to the same period last year. So yes, so the crime thing at Jamaica get worse, people. Instead, it should have been better. It's getting worse. And people's life now is more at stake. You know what I mean? You're not safe in your own country where you're born. I remember the days when I used to have so much fun. Run up and down on the road, we bleach on the road. Till how much hours a night we play, we ramp. You know what I mean? Till we go and we bed and thing and nice. Wake up back in the morning again. Same routine. Go play some cricket in the street where we boys them. Go play some football in the common over there so. Go pick some orange and go thief off some Mr. John Orange them. Go broke out to my Uncle Kane. Go pick out some guinea round there so go look some mango in the bush. You know what I mean? But now, I see where this thing has changed so much, people. It's totally different. It's not like before. And all New Link can say, I'm just hoping and praying for a change. You don't know a thing, people. This is New Link from New Link Production. And I mean, say, attack them New Link. Straight attack. Enough love, enough respect. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support.
What them a go do ya now? New Link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New Link.